turn it on. All done. This is how it lights up. So this is how it lights up in the dark. I like it because, like, this ground is soft, so I don't think it can do the tornado. Like, on hard ground, it can.
What's the tornado, Bub?
The battery lasts long.
And what's the tornado? Oh, I can still do it somewhat.
That is the tornado.
Anything else you like about it?
The thing is, it only comes with one battery, but that's okay. You can order more batteries.
What would you rate it?
I would probably rate it a 5.
Okay. Anything else you want to mention? It's probably good, huh?
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you what it's all get to. It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you what's all get to. You want me to love you? Maybe I will. Believe me, woman. It ain't no big deal. Oh, you need love now, just as bad as I do. Makes me no difference now. Oh, you think your thing too? Oh, it's your thing. Do what you gonna do? Say, I can't tell you what it's like to. Say, it's your thing. Do what you wanna do now. Say, I can't tell ya. See, it's in good shape, but it no longer turns on, and I have opened this, took the battery out, put it back in. There's on and off thing. It doesn't do anything anymore. It don't light up, it don't. So therefore, the remote control work, but Keely, let me see that. Sorry to. Now this works just fine. Yep. That don't.
Okay, so it's on. When you push up, nothing happens.
It's weird.
So it moves. It just doesn't move when you push up on the left joystick, but it moves when you push down. The other side moves up when you push up and down when you push down.
It's covered. Wait, listen. Great discovery.
This Vicky Maguan.
I want the whole party up. It's tough still because you know, I seem to define the two little wheel and then it up. Spin it around, you see them?
Okay.
That was cool.
You like it? You love it, right? It's cool. We give it 5 stars. You gotta get this. Ooh, it's cool.
Do it again.
I think I can move it around when it's doing that.
That's cool.
too.
Sweet fun.
Very nice. Why do you got to Richard? Daddy, be careful. Daddy, don't move to here, okay?